now meeting to home plate to exchange lineups and discuss the ground rules are the managers and umpires for tonight's game. Please welcome Boise Hawks manager Frank Gonzalez and Volcanoes manager Kyle Haynes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, if you please rise. Gentlemen, remove your caps. We'd like to welcome the South Salem Summer Band with members from Crossler, Judson, and Leslie Middle Schools to Volcano Stadium. Please join them as they play our national anthem.